The Enforcement Directorates, operating under the Ministry of Finance, conducted coordinated search operations on August 26, 2025 across multiple locations in Tripura, Delhi, Haryana and West Bengal. The raids were part of an ongoing investigation under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, targeting Utpal Kumar Chowdhury, relative of Pabitra Kar of Tripura. The ED initiated its probe based on several false information reports filed by the West Bengal Police against Utpal Chowdhury. In a sudden and coordinated operation, the Enforcement Directorate conducted simultaneous raids at 4 separate locations across the state on Tuesday morning. The raids targeted the residences of Mihir Devnath in Badarghat, Swarup Banik in Edinagar, Utpal Chowdhury in Khairpur and Haradan Vaidya in Nalchar Melagar. The surprise raids carried out with Central Paramilitary Forces providing security have created a stir in the state. Investigators uncovered a sophisticated scheme in which Chowdhury created and operated multiple companies with names deceptively similar to government department and public sector units such as Directorate of Higher Education Tripura, Bridge and Roof Company and Directorate of Apparel Council of India. By using these names, he lured people into investigating and pretending as a senior central government official, promising fake government contracts. Utpal Chowdhury allegedly defrauded numerous educational institutions by presenting himself as the head of Tripura's Higher Education Department, promising to send students from Tripura. He also made false promises to individuals, assuring them they would secure tenders for supplying midday meals to various schools. A key part of the scheme involved a non-governmental organization named Chaltakhali Swamiji Seva Sangha, which is registered under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Utpal Chowdhury fraudulently took control of the NGO, opened bank accounts in its name and used them for money laundering. The investigation revealed that over 200 crore was laundered through complex transactions in these accounts, with the funds being routed to multiple entities in Haryana, Kolkata and Delhi under the guise of a fictitious rubber business. While documents were created to show rubber trade, there was no actual movement of goods or related transport details, providing the business was merely on paper. Funds were also funneled to various sale companies and a significant portion was withdrawn in cash. The probe also exposed Chowdhury's close ties to some senior Tripura government officials who allegedly introduced him to businessmen as a high-ranking government functionary. These officials reportedly received substantial sums of money from Chowdhury in exchange for their assistance, enabling him to defraud businessmen with promises of fake government contracts. During the searches, the ED recovered incriminating evidence including sales of various Tripura government department, Food Department, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Higher Education Department and Elementary Education Department, documents of various PSUs and a fake Ministry of Home Affairs identity card, a cash amount of 7 lakh, bank accounts with a balance of approximately Rs 60 lakh were frozen, documents related to investment in land and real estate across Tripura. Utpal Kumar Chowdhury is currently in custody in a Haryana jail and the investigation is ongoing. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.